Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today's vehicle for sale is a 2021 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC. This vehicle comes in a white exterior, and we have a tan interior. Some really nice wood grain accent trim throughout the vehicle. We also have heated seats, both driver and passenger side, as well as memory seats on the driver's side. Take a look at our rear seats here next. And quick peek up at the front of the vehicle. And let's go ahead and come around to the rear. We've got our GLC 300, Mercedes-Benz, and 4MATIC badging, power opening and closing trunk. Lots of storage room back here. And if you need a little extra storage, push button there to fold down those rear seats, and push button to close the trunk as well. And hopping inside next, mileage on this vehicle is currently at 8,580. We have a push button ignition. And here we have our touchscreen display, currently showing radio. You can also access Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. We've got ambient lighting in the vehicle you can adjust here as well. And the backup camera here. You can control it with the touchscreen like I was just showing you there. Back down below here we have our command module. You can also make adjustments on the display using that. And you also have another one here right on the steering wheel. Below our display we have climate control, cup holder, cigarette lighter and ashtray, and our shifter. Now, if you're interested in additional information about this 2021 GLC 300, just look on our website, feldmanimports.com.